Oh, that's hot. That's hot. So now we're still in one of the best fish restaurants here in Hue Hin, and we see a lot of food. Wow. But I don't like fish, so I eat the pizza, ne? Ein bisschen Geschichte über die Fische finde ich ganz geil. So beautiful, but you see all the water is so green we cannot swim at the moment. And here we have the horse energy, so everything is working really good. Ne, einmal rühren den Meister. Ja. Tirak. Check, check.
นี่บอกกันแล้วยังไม่ได้ออเดอร์เลยค่ะยังไม่ได้ออเดอร์ใช่ไหมใช่ขอบคุณค่ะ
Check, check, beautiful lady. Also Männer, Aperol is a drink only for the women. It's nothing for us, ne? I mean, it's okay.
So ปุ้มปุ้ยนะ
Hey. Look, it's unicorn.
Emotional, damn it!
Unicorn. Oh, es ist einfach giftgrünes Wasser. What is your statement to the green water, Tirak? What do you say about the green water? It's a lot of matcha, nah?
This was a favorite my drink matcha. After this one, I quit with this.
Ah, you think the water is matcha? You see all the green water is matcha. Oh, look, what is this? Hey, matcha. The water is matcha. Wow.
You need to pay more tax because of nah.
Wow.
Faster.
I win,
Nee,
of course.
nee. I win. Yeah, I win.
Oh no! We lose the tic-tac-toe! Oh no! Scheiße!
kann eigentlich passieren, wenn jetzt nichts mehr gut